Hello everyone. Here is a handy classroom tool, Team Picker Wheel. This is a random team or group generator, which will do grouping from a list of names. Here's more on how to use Team Picker Wheel. Here is the main screen. To get started, you'll need to insert participants' names. You can do this one by one using the plus sign with each additional name. You can also insert a list of names by clicking the View Import Inputs button. Import by uploading a CSV file is also available. When pasting a list in, there needs to be one name per line. Moving to the controller section, insert the number of groups to be formed or fill in the maximum number of people per group. By filling either of these fields, the system will automatically fill in it or adjust the other field for you based on your current name list. Next, you can choose how to distribute groups. The default is to distribute equally the list of people into groups without considering anything else, but you may also choose to distribute by gender or by label, and letters are used as representative labels. If you choose the gender or label mode, you can choose whether to show the gender or label icon before their names when the result is displayed. If you enable the Pick Representatives, the Team Picker Wheel will randomly pick a representative, one person from each group after the grouping is done. Press the Start button or press Control and Enter keys to randomize grouping and wait for the result board. There are your groups. Now you can download the results or share them, or modify the inputs, or redo the whole process to get a new result. Those are the basic steps for using Team Picker Wheel. If you want to keep watching, we'll dive into some other great features, including custom team names and saving multiple name lists. Setting student labels and picking representatives are options to consider that I mentioned, but I'll show that quickly now. I've selected label and representative. Now you can see as students are being put into groups, they have their label, one of the letter labels, and now in the groups board, one person from each group has been selected as a representative. An additional feature I'll show is setting team names. By default, teams are numbered. You can change the team names by clicking the Set Team Names button. Write your desired name beside the team you want and click Save. When you save the list or share with others, the team names will also be included if you have assigned them. There are certain cases that you might want to group several people in the same group or separate certain people from the same group. You can select the preset group members by clicking the More button from the Input section. An important note is that the preset feature only works with the default distribution mode. Put people in the same zone for the same group, put people in different zones for different groups. In this example, Alicia and Henry are in Zone 1, Carter is in Zone 2, and Ellie is in Zone 3. Alicia and Henry are in the same zone, so will be grouped together. Carter and Ellie will be separated from those two and from each other. You can make some additional customizations in the Tools Settings section. This is below the Generator section. Click the arrow to expand the tool settings. You can adjust the spin and selection times, disable or enable confetti, turn the sound on and off, customize the starting, spinning, and ending sounds. Some features are premium, including the background image and the banner or logo. Saving multiple lists is only possible for users that are logged in. It is free to sign up for an account, and free users can save 7 name lists. A paid premium account provides unlimited list storage. After signing in to your account to save a list, click the File button. For Save, choose Save List to File when you want to save fresh data to a new file or to replace another file. You can see the Save button available to click only if you previously saved the file. Choose a file to be saved or replaced and assign it with a file name. You can also choose whether or not to include the current settings. Also, it's good to know that there is more than just the Team Picker wheel at this site. By selecting the Tools icon in the upper right corner, you can find an assortment of other useful wheels. You can also find all of these wheels by heading to the site pickerwheel.com. If you need a random group maker, then Team Picker Wheel might be the tool for you. Thanks for watching. Go Comets!